David Kong's Account Director for Broadcom Enterprise Security Group. David, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. What would you advise organizations inside DoD that want to learn from the private sector on innovation and so on? What would you advise them to watch or pay attention to?
Francis, within the industry, we work with a lot of the commercial sectors where they are early adopters of the technologies. So we've already done a lot of the lessons learned, the do's, the don'ts. I would say just go and share the experience with Department of Defense, and so you can get the best return on investment.
Are you seeing less resistance to the idea of learning from the private sector in government? For a long time, government was like, we're special, we're different. And I wonder if you see less of that now than you have in the past.
I would definitely say it's a lot less. As industry and government work closely together, we are beginning to collaborate. We are always pointing out the deficiencies with for the government team. And I think our working relationship is a lot better than before.
Mm-hmm. As you see technologies emerging, what are the ones that you think are the most important for people that are here, that are in the sea services or working with the sea services to pay attention to over the next couple of years?
That is a great question. That's one of the questions that we've always talked about at the booth. I would definitely have to say is the artificial intelligence. Basically integrate AI into all the existing warfighting capabilities, whether it's to accelerate zero trust, improve current business process. Actually, the integration of AI into robotics capabilities, I believe that would be key. Imagine AI going into the drones, unmanned vehicles, and the actual robots, the droids. That would probably be game-changing over the next decade.
Mm-hmm. The business processes, I think, is one area that I'm not sure a lot of people on the outside, I'm sure inside the building they're thinking about it all the time, but I think folks like me focus a lot on warfighting and so on and don't think about the value of artificial intelligence and automation to things like audit readiness and other types of business processes. Is that where you see a lot of potential when you talk about business processes?
Well, I see it slightly different.
Okay.
What I'm looking at is to improve efficiency, operation efficiency, and the ability to work faster, get a competitive edge. Our sailors today, sailors and Marines alike, they are in their position for a short few months. They got a lot to learn. And they are constantly you got to learn the operating systems, you got to learn the applications on top, and now you're throwing cybersecurity technology on top. So I feel that we have to use AI to make it simple, probably easy to learn, easy to train, and easy to operate. And it's got to be able to ingest into the existing DoD environment.
Mm-hmm. As you see robotics emerge and mature over time, what's the greatest opportunity there to incorporate artificial intelligence? You mentioned droids, and I think about Star Wars, and from some of the things that I've seen here, it's actually not that far off.
Yeah, so just like any artificial intelligence, the more samples you have, the more accurate your results is going to be, and the better you train the robots, the better the end result. I don't think we're there yet, but I know Tesla, NVIDIA, they're coming close. I've seen TVs on the Tesla droids, the Optimus, and the NVIDIA Neo. So if you can incorporate AI into it and just improve what we have today, I think the possibility is endless.
As you watch what's going on inside the department, what do you look for to understand how you can then, as an industry partner, help them meet the mission goals? What demand signals are they putting out that you're looking for to determine how you can help them?
So for myself, right now, it's through conversations with the DoD leadership. Basically, attend shows, conferences like this. Just came back from Rocky Mountain Cyber and now FCO West. It's definitely listen to the leadership, what directions they want the DoD to go to, and look at our portfolio and see how we can complement and help out.